My name is Lee Shemitz, Executive Director of Sound Waters, and we created this short video to share with you what it was like for students to adventure on the Sound this past year. The mission of Sound Waters is to protect Long Island Sound through education. Our high school program, Adventure on the Sound, takes students on a 3-day, 2-night adventure out on the Sound with a focus on science, teamwork, leadership, and community service. In this short in-house video, you'll meet one of our educators and several of our students as you glimpse a bit of their journey as they adventure on the Sound.
Day 1. Students board Sound Waters in the morning, geared up for the 3-day adventure ahead of them. They begin learning their duties as sailors on Sound Waters as soon as they set foot on deck. A camaraderie forms spontaneously among the students on board as they are challenged to work as a team to raise sails, steer the boat, and keep the deck ship-shape. Day 2. It is a very early morning. Groggy students prepare for the day as soon as they're out of their tents. After breakfast, it is time to give back to the island that provided us safe haven for the night. Students help to build up the gabion wall surrounding the island and pick up trash along its beaches. Back on the boat for another day of sailing, students trawl the brackish waters of Long Island Sound and experience the life that is found there, sometimes for the very first time. Our last night on the island, sea shanties are sung proudly over the flames of the campfire. Stars come out over the top of the lighthouse, and a sense of accomplishment descends on the weary sailors of the schooner Sound Waters. Day 3. By the last day, students have begun to feel comfortable aboard the schooner and have a chance to show what they have learned throughout their adventure on the Sound. Students' leadership skills come to bear as the crew takes a step back from their respective watches and challenges the students to set sail without assistance. After docking the boat for the last time, students circle up on the grass to say goodbye to new friends and recall the events of the last 3 days.